Okay. So this is gonna be my first Animal Company video ever, and really, all we're gonna be doing right now is getting my money back because I spent it all for the video. Yeah, I threw it all away in a different server. The show, yeah. This is adventure, so I need to get my money back in this one. So I've still got those, but I can't use those. Maybe I can. I don't know. Should I? I've got two, so I gotta go get sticks. It feels like it's been like a year since I bought a stick. This game. The holy stick. Oh yeah, I kept my backpack. I've also got me a backpack. That's gonna help a little bit. Okay. Let's go down into the mines. To go mine some crap. Sorry if I got like bad quality or something. This is my first video. Filming with a camera. So hard. What was that? Okay, the rest of these. One second. Okay. Oh, I just got a research point. Let's go. Not like I'm gonna be able to get it anyway. It's kind of useless. This is not sponsored. Sorry if you hear that. Let's go throw my stick. No, let's watch. You saw that second try. Yeah. I only got 170. Hold up. I have 201 actually. I'm rich now. Alright, time to go buy nothing. Oh, hold up. I can get these backpacks. Okay. I got a backpack. Hold up. I have. Alright. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, we got that. We've got a breaking sticks. I'm not gonna underestimate this stick though. He's pretty good. When I first got this, I thought you could take pictures. I don't know why. Sorry if y'all hear that. I do not like brain rot anymore. Still a brain rot though. I do like it. But sorry if I'm not loud. No, dang it. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse. Alright. Yeah, I need this. My camera broke. Not my camera. The stick broke. Gotta go buy a new one. Let's go. Alright. No. Journey back up. I'm gonna try to put... I'm not putting music on. Well, maybe. I'm up. Alright. I wonder what that looks like on the screen. I can't check right now. Hold up. That's perfect. Holding the camera like that is perfect. Let me check. Good enough. Alright, let's go. Yo, I found a piece of cheese. Well. Turns out, don't eat pieces of cheese you find on the street. Let's see what I have in here. Where'd my camera go? Here. Alright. Tell me how to green screen, because I tried to make a movie earlier. Sadly, I didn't have audio at all. So, I had to just delete all the footage. So, please help me. I want to learn how to green screen so I can be like, hey guys, this is a green screen. Put me on whatever. Okay, but yeah. I have 130 notes left. I'm gonna make this like a pretty long video. Of course. Alright, I'm gonna get my voice up. I wanna be loud, not quiet. Stick. The backpack. The journey of the backpack. It's crazy. Hold up, how am I gonna hold? Can't do that. I guess I gotta be. I guess I got. I guess I gotta be Dora the Explorer for like 30 minutes. Let's go. It's not fun being Dora. And by the way, the only thing I have is a singular snowball. And my gym thing, you hear that? That's my dog's name. He's Molly. She's such a good dog. Turtle. She's small. She's nice. She's not. She's so mean. Sorry if you're hearing again, for like the 100th time in the video. What? Also, shout out to the people that helped me in the Freddy Fazbear movie. Well, I can't really post it, but I guess he wanted me to. One of them wanted to be called Ian. Shout out to him. And shout out to Itty Bitty for being the Freddy Fazbear. Oh, and also Ian was like, I guess Bonnie or Chica. One of those. I don't remember. Because remember, I deleted the footage. What are these videos I made? Time to go. Time to go. Take a trip. Back my cousin would be so sad. He knew I was posting this without him because he can't really play that many games. But he's just not online. So hold up. What if I turn it on like I don't know, follow mode, so I don't have to hold it the whole time? I want to hold it. Go back for another stick. And I'm going to get this. I'm back. What? Millie, is that? What? Guys, look how much money I'm gonna make. Look how much. Stick. Yeah, that's what we carry now. Okay. Oh, let's get to the point. Whatever. I don't know. Fifth? No, sixth. Seventh. Where'd my camera go? Alright, there it is. Okay. We left that in the past. Bro, where is it? Like my 9th or 10th try, I don't know. I got one. Why don't I get money? This video's kind of getting boring. Not gonna lie. Me and my one Discord. Yeah, also, I'm gonna put the Discord server link in the description because I feel like it. And I'm pretty sure it's also on my channel. Or is that my old one? I don't know. But okay, let's hope you can. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, you should be able to see. Okay. I'm gonna get my bag out. Help. No, no, no. I got 195. Yeah, you should hit that subscribe button like down there or whatever it's at. Yeah, because you don't know, but I'm about to hit 100. Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop trying to sponsor myself, and I don't want these though. Sorry guys if you had to hear that. I don't know what my brother's. Okay, now we're gonna go sell this. Drop stick, okay. My lights on. Oh, hold up. Happy New Year. Thank you for happiest year. Remember 20. Remember 20. Yeah, pretty good. New Year's is definitely cooking. We're hopefully gonna have the great meme reset this year. Honestly, camera right there. Oh. My first press. Let's go. Totally. Totally not my first. And I'm gonna try my best to edit this. Wait, I got 103. How much do I have now? 305. Okay, honestly, this is gonna take super long to edit, because I suck at it. By the way, comment down below the best editing app, because I use CapCut and I need a new one. So, yeah. I'm gonna get off and edit this. But bye, and have a good day.